Hello everyone, today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to do a review of this nice screwdriver. It's a 14-in-1 by Klein tools. Like all Klein, this one looks like a really nice screwdriver. Looks solid. The number of this one is a 32314. Is a, like I say, it's a 14-in-1. It's an electronic screwdriver. It is only 7-inch. It has a spin cap, which is making it easy for you when you tie something and you want to do it in a fast way. It has a nice cushion grip. It's very solid. It's very a little bit small. If you compare it to the 11-in-1, you can see it's almost the same size, but it's very small. It's very thin. But this one is a little bit more than the 11-in-1. This is a 14-in-1. So, and you maybe say, what is all that 14? And I'm going to show you where are the 14-in-1 in this screwdriver. And we're going to start with the tips. In the front here, you have a Philly and a flathead. Like you will see, this one is a Philly 0 and is flathead or slaughter 1/8, right? In the other side, you find, as you can see here, you find a T15 and a T10. That's already 4 in there. Then you open it here, and this side you find a T7 and a T8 torque. And in this side here you find the other flathead, which is, as you can see here, is a Philly 00 and a flathead 3x32. And these are the precision knock driver. One side you have 1x4, the other side you have a 7x32 in the big tooth, and in the two small tooth you have, one side you have 9x64, and the other one you have 9x64 too. And here you have 5x32 and 3x16. So as you can see, those are the 14. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very nice screwdriver. It's very fast. You can change any of the bit very fast if you working on anything, just like the 11-in-1, and feel really good. It's mostly electronic screwdriver because most of the tips are small, and as you can see, they're very skinning at the end, so you can use it for any electronic, because some electronic like this multimeter, the screw are a little bit deep, and it works perfectly. Very nice screwdriver. On Amazon right now I think it's just $14. I really recommend it. I think this is it. This is a Klein. The number is 32314 by Klein. Thank you for watching. You definitely should have one of these.